How to print list for collection. Today we will discuss about how to print empty list class-wise for fee collection in detail. First of all, go to the fee module, then click on the fee collection and view. There select the option list for fee collection. This list contains info about school with dues or fees. The purpose of this list is when you are busy doing other school tasks and students are submitting their fees, you just write that amount in the list, and after you free from your tasks, you put that in ZamaSchool software. For example, you select class KG, section A, list of fee collection will appear with following details of student name, father name, enrollment number, date of fee collection, amount you adjust and signature. Just click on the print button and these all details will be printed on a hard page for your use. Similarly, you can repeat the same procedure for all classes. Report will contain class info as well as with all other details. This print can be later used by the person entering data in ZamaSchool for fee collection anytime. Hope after this video you can easily print student list for fee collection in ZamaSchool software. Thanks for watching this tutorial. If you need any help, call us on our registered number in the description.